everybody, it's Deb from DnDArtGallery. Excuse me. Today I have a 14 by 14 staple back canvas and I'm going to attempt to Dutch pour on it. This is the most difficult pour for me to do, so let's keep our fingers crossed. As you can see, I've put a light coat of the Artist Loft Floetrol white and then Blickrylic Mars black on the canvas to cover it. And my other paints, I can tell you that I am using the DecoArt Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold, and my other paint is like a wine color, and I can show you consistency right away. Leaves a little mound, and it is a combination of the Blickrylic black, Mars black, and Artist Select cadmium red medium hue. I just added a little dollop of the black to this red to get that wine color. My other colors are quite a combination. I'm using blue today with a little metallic cobalt blue in it, and my other color is purple. So let's get started here. Like I said, this is a difficult painting process for me to do. I haven't had a lot of luck with it. And I can go over my pouring medium. It's just the two parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. I did not add any silicone today. I'll use this wine color next. There are really a lot of beautiful Dutch pours out there. I watch a lot of artists do them very successfully. And I do think it takes practice. Okay, so I'm going to put my hair dryer on cool to start out, and I'm going to put it on low. I may have to switch it up to high though. I probably will. Okay, so let that sit there a minute, and I am going to try my little air compressor here to see if I can enhance this at all. I know Tammy Anderson uses her little air compressor when she's doing her Dutch pours, and I've been watching a lot of hers lately, so if you get a chance, check out Tammy Anderson's channel. I really like the gold in here, very pretty. Another person to watch is Donna Rinsky. It's DoUNARINSKE. She does wonderful Dutch pours. Just a minute, I'm gonna undo this cord here. Okay. I'm actually going to turn this painting. I actually do like the little feathery parts. Okay, just a little bit more work on this. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that side. Just gonna see what I can do over here on this black side, if anything. I think pretty much the paint is blown out as far as it's going to go on this side. Okay, I will give it a torch. Just cover up a spot I'm not happy with. Okay, and the sides I will deal with later, although I have put down the white and the black all along the edges here. And sometimes just letting them drip, to me, I think that's really a good look for it. And I will get you down for a close-up. You can tell me what you think. I'm pretty happy with this. Okay, this is the upper left-hand corner here. And I think this is the prettiest part of the whole painting is right in here. A lot of the gold, a lot of shimmer going on. Nice little cells. Just very, very nice color combination going on here. And that's the lower left-hand corner. Even a little bit of lacing there. Take you up the middle here. And those are those wispies I was working on there. I really think that those are pretty. This is the upper right-hand corner. Again, I really like that color combination. Some cells, a little bit of lacing there. Very pretty. Very pretty with that purple too. And we're coming down on the lower right-hand corner here. Okay. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share. Subscribe. Make sure you push the button and choose all so you'll know the next time that I do post a new video. And until next time, take care everybody, and thank you for watching. Bye. Hi everybody, it's me again. I just wanted to let you know that after I was finished with that video, I took a look at this painting and I just thought I can do better. I can enhance it in some way. So what I did is I added a little more gold and I just drew my skewer through a lot of the gold just to bring those lines down and let the eye catch them, as you can see. And I'm a lot happier now with this painting. I did more tipping. I did a little more, just more tipping and adding of gold here and there. and I'm just a lot happier now. So I will post this picture with this video. And again, thank you for watching, everybody. Bye.